I'm now going to continue my video series in elementary mathematics by telling you how to divide a fraction by another fraction without turning either one of them into decimals. Okay, let me show you a typical mathematical problem here. We have the fraction 4/8 and we want to divide it by 5/6. How are we going to do that? Okay. Well, have you ever watched a parade in which they have some people, they're probably following a band, or they go right before a band? You might find some tumblers, that kind of thing. But you'll see some of these people and they'll do a handstand. They'll literally walk on their hands. Their legs are way up in the air, but their hands are on the ground. That's how they're walking. Okay. Same type of deal here. We're going to take this fraction here and we're going to make it do a handstand. Boing! There you go. That's what they mean when they say to divide a fraction with another fraction, okay? To divide a fraction by a fraction, you need to multiply this fraction by the reciprocal of the first one. That's what they mean. So what you're going to do, when you hear the word reciprocal, you're going to make that fraction do a handstand. And that's what we're going to do here. Well, 8 times 5 is 40, and 6 times 4 is 24, so now you have 40 24ths. That doesn't tell you a whole heck of a lot. Now, what you can do here is you can divide the numerator and the denominator by the number 4. And when you do that, you get 10/6. But still, that doesn't tell you a whole heck of a lot. What can you do here? You can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. And if you do, you get 5/3. And that's a good answer. So now you have 1 and 2/3. That's what you have. And that is how you solve this kind of a problem. So, whenever you hear the word reciprocal, think handstand. I want you to directly associate the word reciprocal with the word handstand. As soon as you do, you can solve these problems. It's that simple. Alright, I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.